right? Well, it turns out a new technology has come out called Wonder Dynamics Wonder Studio. So the name of the company is Wonder Dynamics. The name of the tech is Wonder Studio, where it's one click, zero budget. It's
What do you
one
mean?
click, zero budget.
Is there an example here?
Yeah, there's an example. Let's play the video.
Hello, human. I am here to visit all of you guys here today. It's all kinds of crazy stuff with us here. I mean, what am I gonna be doing next? Right?
It's
I
getting
don't even
facial
know.
expressions
We do
right too.
all kinds of dance party stuff. Yeah. I don't even know anymore. Yeah. Come at me.
That's pretty insane. So
Yeah.
it got lighting right. It got movement, facial expression right. And surprisingly, this AI also got hands right.
Yeah.
The only thing it didn't get right is it made him naked as an alien. So it can't detect clothes yet.
Yeah. So if you want a 3D model with clothes on, then you'll have to,
I was making a joke and being sarcastic, but thanks. This is going to be a tough one to get through. I just realized.